Hafaday. My name is Danny Bloss, and I'm the chair of CHEPU, Chamorro Hands in Education Links Unity. We are a San Diego-based nonprofit, and our mission is dedicated to the preservation of our culture, our language, our health, and our heritage through education. As a teacher, I know firsthand the value of education. With education, we have an idea of from where we come, and with that, we know where we can go. The purpose of the 4th Annual Chamorro Cultural Fest is to celebrate the peoples of the Mariana Islands, and we intend to do that by providing workshops and music and entertainment and food and vendors that teaches us more about our Chamorro heritage. So you are invited to join us for CCF 2013 on Saturday, March 23rd at Market Creek Plaza in San Diego, starting at 10 a.m. We also have a special evening concert scheduled for 8 p.m. the same evening. Hafaday and Tafamhita.